In October 2023, Cape Town made history by hosting the ISHA annual scientific meeting for the first time on African soil. This landmark event brought together over 550 delegates from around the globe with one clear mission: to revolutionize the approach to hip preservation surgery.
So Cape Town for us was a very important event last year. We did a survey pre-conference to understand, we through the South African Orthopedic Association and a number of regional partner societies to their membership, to actually better understand what the challenge was. We set up the pre-conference day and Africa Day forum, which brought in, we used the subvention funding that we got from the Bureau to reinvest into bursaries and to enable people from all over the continent to travel and come to the conference. We brought in and we engaged with the university departments where they're still quite early career. Again, to get a chance to bring them into the community, we engaged with the women in orthopedic surgery in the region. All lots of affiliated groups to bring them in to have a voice and have a roundtable discussion forum to what they needed and what were the specific challenges of Africa. And what, again, having us been there, could we then take from that and come back and continue that relationship.
But the impact of the Cape Town meeting didn't stop there. The establishment of the MEAFT Regional Committee marked a significant step forward, enabling tailored solutions for the unique challenges faced in the Middle East, Africa, and Turkey. The legacy of this conference continues to grow, with future ISHA meetings set to build on these foundations.
When we actually get into the granular detail of what benefit are we going to leave behind and aligning that to what our purpose, our mission and vision are, that's what then starts to really separate out where our event and where that balance of arguing, well, should we be taking people across the world and flying people here and there? What's that carbon impact versus what's that social impact by actually the value of what we've left behind and the benefit? And you do the balancing act, and one can demonstrate quite clearly that one outweighs the other.
ISHA, where preservation is progress.